Hey guys, it's Ellie. I feel like lately living in New York in the winter, like after Christmas is over, there's just like not a lot that I feel like I have to look forward to. And it's just like I'm waiting for the weather to get warmer outside again, which I feel like is really a waste of like a beautiful season. So this weekend we're supposed to get a whole winter storm, like a lot of snow. And right now it's like -2 outside. The low today was -4. And we're supposed to get, let's see, we're supposed to get 12 to 14 inches of snow tomorrow. And so it's gonna be really pretty and wintry outside. So this weekend I'm just really gonna try and do my best to like appreciate winter for what it is and just have so much fun in the snow and just embrace this season. Okay, this is what the yard looks like outside right now. We probably already have like 6 to 8 inches of snow maybe, and we're supposed to get like another foot this weekend. And before we go bundle up to go outside, we're gonna make pancakes and waffles for breakfast.
I said you were into.
It is absolutely frigid. Even in the house, the heat isn't working right now, so it is so cold. This is about to turn into a how many layers can Ellie wear at the same time competition. I'm hoping a lot. Okay, I put on a base layer. I have these like wool tights and this long sleeve shirt, and now I'm gonna see how many things I can layer on top of that. I'm gonna start with this cashmere sweater. And then I think I'm gonna try and put a second pair of leggings over the top of these, which I don't know how well this is gonna work, but my legs are cold. Then we're gonna try and layer a couple pairs of these Smartwool socks because my toes get so cold and numb. But the problem is if we're ice skating, I don't know how many pairs of socks I can fit in my ice skates because they're a little bit snug even before the thick socks. And then I'm gonna put on this blue puffer jacket. And on top of that, I'm gonna wear this puffer vest. If this doesn't keep me warm, I don't know what will. For my head, I'm gonna do this headband to keep my ears warm. And on top of that, I'm gonna do this hat. And then I have a scarf. And then I have 2 layers of mittens. I look like an Eskimo. Okay. Since this is our first winter at this house, we haven't gone ice skating on this pond yet, and I'm so excited. It's like bigger than most like outdoor rinks around here, and we get it all to ourselves. Before we can do any skating, we have to work on shoveling off the pond because there's a bunch of snow on it. Okay, we just cleared off the whole pond. Well, we didn't go all the way to the edges, but we made a giant circle in the middle. And now we're gonna put our skates on and try it out. My lips feel so frozen, I feel like I can't talk. It's so rough, it's so hard to get any momentum. Okay, today's Sunday and church was actually canceled this morning because of the snowstorm. It's gotten so crazy out there. And we're actually, me and my mom are actually about to go on a run in the snowstorm, which sounds insane.
Do you want to come tell them why we're going? We are training for the
marathon in Italy.
the Florence Marathon. And it just so happened that our training started this week, and so we're running anyways, even
No
with a snowstorm.
Bundle
We'll
up.
probably only make it like a mile because it's crazy out there. And even that is gonna be so cold, but we'll see.
Okay, we're off. The weather said it feels like -5 right now, so it's definitely very cold. At least it's not that windy right now or we would be frozen. Almost to the halfway point. Okay, turn around. My eyebrows are covered in snow. Look at my eyebrows. This started fun and now it's kind of miserable. Oh, it hurts. It's like every snowflake like stings your forehead and your eyes. And when I sniff, I feel like my nostrils freeze closed. Okay, I think that's enough outside time for today. It is so much colder than I thought it'd be. Oh my gosh, Mom, look at my face. Wait, look. I was excited to run in the snow, but that hurt.
Hey guys, guess what?
Snow day! Snow day! Woo! School's just closed for tomorrow, so I don't have to go in to teach, and now our snow weekend is even longer. Good morning, guys. Happy snow day. We're just kind of having a chill morning, and I'm sitting by the fire and drinking my tea and doing a Bible study while we wait for everybody to get up so that we can go sledding. It's still snowing outside, which is crazy. It was supposed to stop at like midnight last night, and it just never did. Samson, you're all covered in snow. Hi. This is a workout, trying to walk through the snow back up the hill.